Hi everyone, so today I want to talk about if you should get an automatic or manual for the 2019 Mazda 3. So let's get started. So basically 98% I would say, or maybe less, maybe actually 90% of the Mazda 3 2019 will have an automatic. This is a big for manual is a big decrease compared to the Gen 3, because Gen 3 manual is available in every single trim. So for Gen 3, I'll say as much as 20% or even 30% of the Mazda 3 comes with a manual. But for this one, 2019, I would say less than 10%, because the 2019 Mazda 3, the manual is only available in the hatchback premium package front wheel drive. So it's a very limited option for the 2019. And of course, in this video I'm talking about the American market, the US market. I believe the Canada you can have manual in every single trim level and also on the sedan. So Mazda USA, I think they make a very bad decision by limiting the manual. But of course, if you're in the US, which ones do you get? You get the manual or the automatic? So first of all, like I said, the manual is very limited. It's gonna be very hard to find on a dealership lot. So basically, yeah, you basically have to do your research first and making a lot of phone calls or internet search before you can buy one, or you may even have to order one from Japan. And of course, first of all, if you don't even know how to drive a manual, I think manual is not even an option for you, not even a question. So you would just go for the automatic, very simple. And even if you know how to drive a manual, you probably, most likely, Americans, I would say they are lazy, and they just want the car to ship itself. So even if you know how to drive manual, most likely you're still gonna stick with an automatic, which is completely fine for me. So in that case, automatic is for you. And there's another kind of people that even if they want to drive a manual, or maybe their wives or their husband or whatever, or their friends, their kids, they don't know how to drive manual, so they're forced to buy an automatic even though they want to drive a manual. So that sucks, but that's why in America automatic is so popular. Manual is dying basically in America, which is sad. And then the next thing that you should consider, even though you check all your checkbox, like all your family members and yourself, all of you want to drive a manual. But here's the thing, like I just said, the manual is only available in the hatchback premium package. That means you can only get the manual on the highest trim level on the hatchback. So some people may not like the hatchback. If that's the case, then you can only get an automatic. And second is that the all-wheel drive option. So if you want all-wheel drive, again, that's out of the question. You have to get an automatic. But even if you want a hatchback and front-wheel drive, if you have no problem with that, there's another problem, is money. Like I said, only the top trim will come with the manual. So this particular car MSRP is around 27 to 28 grand, so it's quite expensive for a manual transmission. It's funny because in the US, manual transmission, in many years, the manual is only available in the base model usually. I'm not just saying Mazda, I mean every other car company, the manual, you can only get a manual in the base model. But for Mazda, this case, this is exactly the opposite. You can only get a manual on the top trim. So you have to spend a lot of money just to get the manual. So manual is not the cheap or the poor man's option anymore. It's the premium option. And if you look at the same trim level, if you look at the hatchback premium package, the manual and the sedan, I believe is actually the same price. So the automatic is the same price as the manual. So you cannot get it cheaper anymore, which sucks. I am not surprised if they make the manual more expensive in the next model year, or they may just kill it off altogether, which I wish they don't do that. But yeah, so if money is your concern, then you're out of luck. You have to stick with the automatic. But one thing I have to say, good thing about the manual is that you don't have to spend too much time to think about which trim to get, because it's only available in one single trim. Like before, if the manual is available in every other trim, both sedan and manual, then you would have a hard time deciding which one to get. Same for my case. Maybe I would pick a sedan, I don't know, and I might pick a white color interior. I might not even get the premium trim. I might pick either the select trim or the prefer trim. I would not get the base model because I don't really like the cloth interior of the base model, so I'll either pick the prefer or the select trim. But again, I probably spend a lot of time just thinking about which one to get. But in this case, I don't have to worry about that because it's only one trim level. So of course, this is your ultimate decision. If you want to drive a stick shift, then definitely you may want to save up your money and get the stick shift. Like I said, this is a very, very good stick shift. You won't regret it. It's a very easy to drive stick shift also, so you won't get exhaust in the traffic, not really. Especially for myself, I'm already get used to driving manual in heavy traffic every single day for the past many years. I definitely, that's why I picked the manual. I mean, it's not even it's an easy decision for me. It's a very good manual. It's an easy manual to learn how to drive a stick shift. I might make a video on how to drive a stick shift on this car soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, the very good manual transmission. You might regret if you pick the automatic. That's why I recommend you to test drive this, both auto and manual, before you make your decision. And of course, the manual, you can get it with this beautiful red interior, which I like it a lot. So anyway, let me know in the comments below any questions, concern, anything. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.